Hi guys, we're back here with Marlon, the Nightmare to Palace. So Marlon, say hi to your fans and your bashers.
Hi, fans and bashers.
Alright guys, Marlon is finishing up his training here in the USA. He started in LA, went to Vegas, and now he's getting ready to go back home to Baguio in Philippines. So would you say that you're training here in LA and in Vegas and now going back to Baguio, why have you been changing location for this training?
Yeah, because the time difference, especially doon sa Pilipinas, na doon kami sa Baguio kasi malamig din doon, tapos high altitude, tapos yung time kasi talaga Philippines at saka Japan, konti lang yung difference niya.
Magbabago ba yung schedule nyo now that you're gonna go to Baguio? Kasi I know sa LA and Las Vegas, you guys were very strict with as far as like waking up early, your nutrition, at saka yung mga kasparing mo dito. How will that change sa Baguio?
Meron kaming mga kasparing doon na naka-ready na, tapos parang ganun pa rin yung rotation namin doon. Siyempre, bilang isang boksingero, gano'n naman talaga yung mga rotation na gising ng umaga para mag-jogging, tapos sa tanghali, training, sparring, ganyan.
Kasi as far as nutrition, Coach Ernel's going with you. He's the one doing your nutrition and everything naman, di ba?
Oo, si Coach Ernel, lahat yan eh. Nutritionist, naging nutritionist, trainer. Kasi magaling din siya mag-ano ng kung anong dapat ipakain sa'yo.
And what are you looking forward na ngayon uwi na kayo ng Baguio?
Sana, nawala ako sa maganda yung namin doon, training camp.
Yeah.
Sana maayos yung namin doon.
dito ba sa Vegas? Di ba, like almost every day may kasparing ka? May nakasparing ka na ba na, would you say, about level ni Naoya na makakalaban mo? How are you preparing for that?
Dito sa card kasi maraming kasparing, tsaka iba-iba yung kasparing. Kaya maganda dito kasi iba-iba yung kasparing, iba-iba yung style. Siyempre wala namang boksingero na halos magkapareho ng style talaga ganun, pero at least may nakukuha kami na iba-iba. Kaya doon din sa Pilipinas, meron din may nakahanda naman na na marami din silang kukunin. Kumbaga sa sparring, pwede din kami magpalit-palit ng sparring.
Pagdating mo ng Pilipinas, makikita mo ba family mo, or are you trying not to see family until the fight?
No.
Until after the fight?
Hindi ko pa kasi gusto ko focus muna sa laban ko hanggang pagkatapos ng laban. So, andun ko pa makikita yung pamilya ko.
See, the difference between you and other boxers that I've met, your discipline is very, very highly focused sa sa fight mo. Even your other fights, di ba? Big fights, small fights, lagi kang nakahanda. So, would you say na yan yung pinaka mahirap as a boxer, yung disiplina? Because I mean, you're in the Philippines, family mo is in the Philippines, but you're not gonna go see them.
Hindi naman para sa akin kasi ito na yung ginagawa ko, ito talaga yung trabaho ko. So, responsibilidad ko, yung yung dapat kong gawin na maaari kong gawin para makalaban ako ng maganda sa aking sarili. Ito yung pinakamaganda kong gawin, so ito yung gagawin ko.
Okay. And as far as like your team right now, you still have Coach Ernel, Coach Ting, everybody with you. Would you say nakahanda na kayo?
Yeah, opo, nakahanda kami. Ako naman masasabi ko na talagang nakahanda kami. Nakahanda talaga ako. Physically at mentally. Alam ko yan. Nakahanda ako. Tsaka, yun lang.
Yun lang. Do you have any message for your team? Your management?
Of course, nagpapasalamat ako sa management ko, sa kay Boss JC, manager, at saka sa Knucklehead, sa team ko, Coach Ernel, mga coach. Nagpapasalamat ako sa kanila sa suporta. Ikaw, Coach Boss Marvin, updating. Thank you sa inyo pag-update sa amin.
And to your fans, ano yung message mo sa kanila? Because everyone is watching. This is gonna be one of the biggest fight.
Yes.
especially for us in the Philippines?
Sa mga fans naman sa Pilipinas o kahit saan, ano lang, stay tuned lang at saka bubulatin natin yung mundo.
Alright, sa mga bashers mo.
Yeah, lalo na sa mga bashers natin. Hanggang alas 12 mag-training ako.
Okay, now message to your family.
Yeah, of course, sa pamilya ko, stay put lang kayo dyan. Magkape-kape lang kayo. Parang bahala dito.